Welcome to our video on how to copy the link of a Snapchat video on your Android device. In this tutorial, we will show you the simple steps to easily copy the link of any video on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Navigate to the video that you want to copy the link of. Once you have found the video, tap on the three dots located at the bottom right corner of the video. This will bring up a menu of options. Next, tap on the option that says Copy Link. This will automatically copy the link of the video to your device's clipboard. You can then paste the link wherever you want, whether it's in a text message, email, or any other app. And that's it. You have successfully copied the link of a Snapchat video on your Android device. It's a quick and easy process that allows you to easily share videos with your friends and followers. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.